SUAPP AIR. Real Scene Image Fusion. SUAPP AIR now supports generating an image like this. Takes just 1 minute, with no complex steps. Only creative editing v3 and reference functions needed. First, import the site photo as the original image, and the rendering to be placed as the reference image. Then set reference content to custom input, and enter main building. Next, input the prompt shown on the screen, which can be flexibly modified according to actual needs. Then, set creative editing to v3 mode. Finally, click create and it's done. By following this method, you can achieve these results. If the image to be integrated is a landscape design, after importing the original image and the reference image, simply change the reference content to landscape design style. Replace the subject in the prompt template, and click create to achieve real scene integration of the landscape design image. By following this method, you can achieve these results. Finally, placing an object into a real scene image follows the same process. You can first draw a red box on the original image to mark the location, then modify the prompt. The reference content can be customized, and the prompt template from earlier can be used by simply replacing the subject. Finally, click create, and it's done.